Morning guys, I'm back out here, just doing little bits, still got a stinking cold. Decided I am going to fiberglass the pond. I think it'll give a nice neater finish. Obviously I can't do it while it's damp, so for a while I'm going to concentrate over where the filter house is going to go. So I need, for when I get the Nexus, it has to be 28 point something inches from water level. So that brick will be water level. So that's 25 inches just from that height. So that is, I don't know, let's see if I can. So it's 25 inches, which is about the height of that wall. So I only need another less than 4 inches down, but I'm going to make it really deep because obviously the filter is very heavy. It holds a lot of water. So I'm going to carry on digging. Well, no, that's deep enough down. But I'm going to put loads and loads of hardcore in here, obviously to hold the weight. So that's my job. Nice, just a little bit of digging. Move the compost bin. So that is the square, roughly where the summer house shed, whatever, is going to be. I'm going to get on. Right, I've started dropping this side. I'm going to bring the white out to here somewhere, straight across. I want to drop all this side, take all the bricks off. I don't need to get it all up. I showed you the height for the filter, so just carry on slowly getting that up. Just dropped some bloodworm in for the babies. Like this one. Managed to get out today, do a little bit. So obviously the plan changes daily, as you'll probably know. So I'm going to take away this bit of path here. I'm keeping the height over there, up the top, but I want to step up there. That's like going to be a gangway, and then the summer house is going to be from there right the way across. But I've got plans for that, which I'm keeping a secret at the moment, if I can pull it off. Guys, I've started digging out the trench. Not deep enough yet, but this is where I'm going to put the dirty water sump. It'll be under the summer house. I'll have an inspection chamber at one end so I can get to it, but I'm going to build a well and then line it so it holds the water. So it's just another job to get out of the way. Right, I'm back inside the pond again. I'm about to measure the windows, get them ordered. I've waited long enough now, and now I'm fiberglass, and I want to get the windows in before I fiberglass, because then I can go over the back of the window and make it all watertight, obviously. So I've got plans on coming up another couple of bricks, and then the coping stone. So that is as high as I want the window. So I'll get the tape measure out. Just put the phone So the big window is 183 centimetres across, and I just measured the height and it's 68. Obviously the small window is the same height. This bush won't be here, got no plans on that. And the small window is 93 across, and as I said, 68 centimetres high. So I'm going to go and get them ordered, get a price, see how long they take to come. Just thought I'd show you this present for my nephews. It's obviously they know I'm building down there. It's a rusty metal art. That's the size of it. It'll go on the wall or the door of the filter house. I like this one. Finally allowed back out after isolation. Going to build up my supplies again today. So I'm back at my favourite place, DIY store. By the end of the day, most of this will be home with me. We had a really bad storm here last night. Dumped a hell of a lot of water. As you can see in the pond, new pond, got a lot of water in it, even outside, and even my trench. So can't do nothing out here today.